Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am feeling a little anxious because I haven't had much to eat. Today I am sharing with you all my August beauty favorites. I also have plenty of updates on products that I have perhaps expressed some feelings, some thoughts towards. So I have more kind of solid thoughts on them today. So let's just go ahead and dive right into it. I am going to start with the Alpha H Melting Moment Cleansing Balm with Wild Orange Leaf extract. This was very generously sent over to me as part of PR. This is kind of like a buttery, soft cleansing balm that deeply cleanses the skin. It helps to remove the day's makeup, your skincare routine, your SPF from the day. And what I like about it is just how soft it leaves the skin. This is what the texture looks like. I'm not sure if the actual unit sold comes with a spatula. I know that mine did not. So I just use a spatula from like my pharmacy balm to use this at night. I will say that one time I just used this to cleanse. Then I went in with my face halo to remove it. And then I went in with the Peter Thomas Roth retinol and glycolic acid pads just to kind of see how well this removed my makeup, my SPF, my skincare from the day. And when I took a swipe with the pad, there was literally maybe like 3% grime and debris left over on the entirety of my skin. So this does a really solid job at removing makeup. It removes mascara, brow products, everything. It is gentle and really like it. I haven't, however, leave it on clean skin for up to 10 minutes as a nourishing mask. I will try to do that one time and perhaps provide you all with an update on an upcoming video. I also have an update on the Peach and Lily Ginger Melt Oil Cleanser. This dissolves, clarifies, and cleanses. This has ginger and pineapple. So I've actually used quite a bit of this product. In one of my previous videos, I mentioned that I wasn't too fond of the way that it removed mascara. I did, however, go from using one pump to using two pumps. And the two pumps actually works best, at least on my face. Everyone's face shape is a little different, so sometimes some faces may use one pump, some faces may use two. Not everything is meant to work for everyone in the same fashion or way. So this has actually been a great oil-based cleanser for me. So I was using this before I received this in the mail. I wanted to offer you all an update and let you know that this in fact does a really good job at removing mascara, brow, and eye makeup. Really enjoyed this. For facial serum this month, I do want to mention the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. A review on this went up a few weeks ago, so I will post the review up here for you if you are interested. I have enjoyed testing this. I think I started testing this in July, and I've really enjoyed this serum. It has been really hot this August, and I have been in very dry environments, and this has kept my skin hydrated, free from flakiness, dryness from the AC. I like to take 2 full pumps of this on my face all the way down to my chest. I do make sure to dampen my skin with the La Roche-Posay Thermal Spring Water. That way my skin is nice and damp. Allowing the hyaluronic acid to fully hydrate and kind of plump my skin. So I've really, really enjoyed this. I really like the packaging too. Glow Recipe packaging is super cute. This does come in 2 sizes. This here is a 1 ounce unit, and they also offer a jumbo size in case perhaps you live in a much drier climate than I, and you are prone to dehydration or environmental dehydration more than I am. I do also have an update. I have been testing the NuFace Brighten and Correct Super Vita C Booster. I've been enjoying this, and alongside the NuFace Hydrating Aqua Gel. Overall, I have been enjoying the NuFace devices. I have been challenging myself to continue using them as I had kind of just like stopped using them. But, you know, I am in my late 30s now, and I have just noticed that my skin is just aging. These lines here are bothering me, and now I have some more lines here on my forehead. So I have been challenging myself to use my NuFace devices daily to kind of lift and contour my skin. Do want to offer an update. The vitamin C booster I love alongside their other 2 boosters. I did, however, finally try using this during the day, and I just was not a fan of doing my lifting routine in the day and then applying a full face of makeup over top. Just felt like it kind of just sheared my foundation or my makeup a little bit more than I wanted it to. So personally, the NuFace microcurrent device works nighttime use only. I feel like it just induces relaxation a lot more. I just feel like I enjoy the device and the products a lot more in the nighttime. I will say that I have been enjoying the boosters with the NuFace device. Sometimes when the boosters hadn't hit the market just yet, I would just avoid using the device because I felt like I was skipping on serums that I could potentially use at night. But now that the boosters are available, I enjoy them and the device at night. I have also been using the NuFace Line Smoothing Fix Serum with Triple Peptide Complex with this tiny device, which is meant to be used in the eye area, the lip, and up here. And I also use it here. I also like to use it here on my brow bone. This works beautifully as a nighttime serum. I have been using it under the Drunk Elephant Ceramide AF Eye Balm. A review on this is coming soon. Those work really nicely together, and I just feel like my eyes are looking so much better. I stopped drinking for well over 150 days, and my under eye dark circles were MIA. And now I am enjoying the summer. I am enjoying life and drinking again, but my dark under eye circles and just my skin overall is just looking like I'm consuming alcohol. Alcohol is just very bad for your skin. So if you're dealing with dark under eye circles and nothing seems to work, try giving up alcohol. I know sometimes that can be hard. I know, I've done it. But overall, I feel like this has just helped to kind of brighten my under eye area, and it's also helped to minimize the appearance of lines because these lines are just getting out of control. They are just getting deeper and they are just more visible, and this has definitely helped. I feel like the current is less strong than the actual device itself, and when I use it with this, definitely have to use enough so that you don't feel the current. I feel like it works really, really nicely, so definitely continue to use this. This is a really solid product from NuFace. I have not experienced like any redness or irritation from this product and using this together. These have been kind of like, you know, I've had a rough day, I want to relax, I want to treat my skin, so these have been my go-tos in the month of August. And I know that NuFace is sending me over their newest device, so I will try and test that and give you all a review. Another product that I have reviewed and been enjoying is the Peach and Lily Super Reboot Resurfacing Mask to retexturize, soften, and glow. This has AHAs, BHAs, and blue agave. I will link my review up above in case you're interested. This is a super affordable herbivore dupe. I want to say, I feel like maybe they're probably in the same price point, but I have been enjoying this. I feel like this does a good job at minimizing redness, soothing the skin, and also exfoliating the skin. I feel like my pores have been more pronounced because I'm aging and losing collagen. So this has helped to decongest my pores, making them look smaller, and also helping to resurface and accelerating cell turnover. I use this at least once to twice per week. Sometimes I'll follow it with the Peter Thomas Roth blue mask, their hydrating mask, or if I'm feeling particularly congested, I will follow it with the Bondi Sands clay mask, which I am still loving, you guys. It's like so inexpensive, it's affordable, it's a clay mask. It's amazing. If you have oily skin, congested skin, consider adding to cart. Another thing that I have been using to treat my aging eyes are the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Hydrogel Eye Patches. I received this in PR weeks ago and I have yet to use this. Let me know if you all are interested in a first impressions. I will film it. So I'll just put off using it until my next filming day. But I do want to give that a go. My eyes have just been a huge area of concern for me recently, and these just kind of help to soothe and depuff and really hydrate the eye area without adding any additional congestion to the area itself. This contains ceramides, collagen, and marshmallow root extract to smooth and soften the look of fine lines. This also contains caffeine to depuff and arnica to diminish the appearance of dark circles. So this crosses a lot of concerns for me, so I like them. I just wish that these were a little bit more saturated. I feel like the vitamin C, oh, well, they're saturated. The serum is actually all the way at the bottom. Never mind. I like these a lot. So these are quite possibly some of my favorite Hydrogel eye patches. I feel like Peter Thomas Roth makes the best ones. Body product, I have the Paulus Choice 5% Niacinamide Body Serum. This restores an even skin tone and visibly reduces the signs of aging. Paulus Choice very generously sent this over as part of PR. And I am wearing this all over the body and she feels smooth. I did exfoliate with the Exfoliate Body by Kate Somerville. Then I used this. I love how lightweight it is. It is not sticky, so it does not feel uncomfortable even in this hot summer heat. And I love using it under the Ulla Henriksen Beam Cream Smoothing Body Moisturizer. I feel like this combination here along the body or physical exfoliant by Kate Somerville has given me the glow that I have wanted all along my body, like for a long time. Just look at that glow. Now, this does contain BHAs, fruit enzymes, and caffeine to just kind of like awaken the skin. This smells slightly citrusy, but it is very, very faint. It's not like too noticeable or bothersome, but this is the kind of like the richest body cream I have in my collection currently, and I just love that kind of glow that it has given my skin without the use of, say, for example, a body oil. So that is all I have for you all today. Let me know what your favorite products for the month of August were in the comments down below. I'd love to know. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye. I keep hearing noises and I'm by myself today and I'm kind of freaking out.